Be blessed by the divine. Let's look at KP Astrology Career Prediction. In Krishnamurti Paddhati system, career is decided by the 10th house sublord. Before I walk you through the KP Astrology Career Prediction star wise, please subscribe to this channel. This way, I will be able to notify you of any new lessons and videos that comes up on this channel. Let's assume that the 10th house sublord is Moon. If the 10th house sublord is posited in Aries in Ashwini Nakshatra, here are the career professions list. Service in factory, police, military, medical, surgery, criminal courts, jail, railways, machinery, iron and steel, copper, commandments, physicians, attendants, horses, horse riders, horse dealers, horse groom, and some persons as traders. If the 10th house sublord is posited in the star of Bharani in Aries, the list of professions are makes money through pleasure, sports, music or musical instruments, art, advertisement, show display, exhibition, silver utensils, ever silver, silk, mobile, automobile, fertilizer, industry, railways, factory, wrestler, cinema theatre, studio, mansion for marriage, animal husbandry, veterinary doctor, slaughterhouse, tea or coffee estate, caterers, hotels, restaurants, criminal lawyer, judge, leather manufacturer, skins and hides, building contractors, engineer, those who assess and pass orders, revenue department, surgeon, veterinary, venereal expert, optician and agriculturist. If the 10th house sublord is posited in Aries in Kritika, that is the Kritika Pada 1, first quarter, then the professional list are acquisition of lands, buildings or possession of patrimony, bold punter, dauntless speculator, military, police, industry, medical, surgical. The person will go into Navy if Moon is in this position or a planet is in this star, that is Kritika star, but in the sub of Moon. Defense Department, travels, manufacturing chemicals, bombs, crackers, explosive, matchboxes, iron and steel utensils, war material, Brahmins and particularly those performing daily Agnihotra, reciters of sacred hymns, white flowers, grammarians, barbers, miners, priests, astrologers, potters, and those who know the sacrificial roots. If the 10th house sublord is posited in Kritika Nakshatra in quarter 2, 3, 4 in Taurus, then the professional list are benefit through the government, victory over enemies, acquires costly jewels and dresses, contacts with foreigners, credit card dues, money collection agents, event managers, music, dance, drama, opera, poet, artist, drawing master, draftsman, sculpture, silk, photography, international trade, installation of parks, decoration, industry, medical department, engineer, tax collector, wool dealer, export of hair, assessment and venereal expert. If the 10th house sublord is posited in Taurus in Rohini Nakshatra, then the profession list are caterers to the need of the public, hotels, restaurants, lodging houses, bakeries, boarding houses with comforts and conveniences, bar attached, dealers in houses, lands, fruits, automobile, petrol, oils, milk, dairy farm, ice cream, glass, plastic, scents, perfumery, soap, sandalwood oil, paints, watercolor, dyes, liquids, acids, marriage broker, dress and pearls dealer, navy, shipping, clearing agent, judge, politician, tannery, yarn merchant, sugar, sugarcane, sugar-coated tablets, etc. King, wealthy person, observer of vows, merchandisers, cartman, cows, bulls, aquatic animals, agriculturist, yogins, mountains and men in authority. When the 10th house sublord signifies each of the stars, then there are specific list of star-wise professions that are available in Krishnamurti Paddhati system. If you would like to learn more about the KP Astrology Career Predictions, do visit learnastrologyonline.in. I will see you soon inside the course. Be blessed by the divine.